Welcome. Today we will speak a new chapter in Excel 2013. We speak today about multiple worksheet and workbooks. First thing we will speak about rename. Take care. This is sheet 1, this is sheet 2. If I need to rename this one, I can right click and rename and write what I need. New book. Okay, this first thing we need to speak about. Other thing we need to speak about is about move and copy. Now to insert a new sheet, you insert from this one or click here and make insert from this one. But the easy one is new sheet from here. But take care. The new sheet will create in the right after you select. Now you select a new book. Yeah. Tick this highlighted, this select. What is highlighted? New book, it's select. If I bought a new sheet, it will come by 20. This because I may create a new sheet. If I delete this one from here and insert one, he will make sheet 21. Okay. If you open a new one from here and you open a new sheet like this sheet 1, this sheet 2, this sheet 3. I will make Ctrl tab to return this one. Now I add this one. If I need to add in the last, I select the last one and create this will come. Rename, click right and rename what you need. Okay. If you need to move this sheet 2, if I need to remove, I will right click and drag this one. He will put arrow when he will put. If I need between 21 and 22, I will put like this. If I need in the last, I click, hold the left click and drag here. Okay. If I need to take copy, I will select this. If I need a new book and take copy, I will press Ctrl and take care the difference between if you take this move and if you take copy. Control and copy, there is a new shape like this will come here and I will make this. Okay, when he make copy, he give the same number, the same name, but he will add 2. If you take another one like this by control, I will select this one and take control here, he will give you 3. Okay, to delete you can delete. Take care. If I have sheet like this 25, I can't make undo for it. If I need delete, I must click right and delete from here. He not give me any message. When I delete this, he give me message. Why? Because there is some data. He give you this to take confirmation from you. You need to delete this and he give you alert that you have data because maybe you use this in another sheet. Okay, if you need delete, you take delete. Okay, if I need to take more than one, if I need to take this and this and this, move or copy, I can by control select this 3 and drag from here, put here. Okay, now it's move. If I need to return, I can't make Control Z. Okay, I will take this and move, it will move. The same thing, if you need to add 5 or 6 or as you need from the number of this, if you select this and this by control, now you select 2. Okay, take care. Now you select 2 and make add, he will give you 2. Okay, the same number of you select, he will make add for you. Okay, now we speak about move and copy. Okay, the other thing we need to speak about. Now you have book 1 and the sheet and the sheet. Okay, if you make select all sheet and you come here and write this is B3. Okay, and write 100. Take care. Now exit from anyone. What he make? He will make the same value on all sheets. Okay, this is very important because if you need to make select, you will select all, and if you need to put a new value, if you insert a new data, he will insert new data, no problem. Okay, you can make this the same change you can make in more than one sheet if you select all from here. Okay, now I select this as a group. When I select this two and click right, select all, say he make select all. If you need ungroup, you can ungroup. If you ungroup, you will return to only one selected. Now 21 only selected, select all. If I can make ungroup, I can select 21 only. Okay, this is the second thing we speak about. We speak about rename and move and copy. The three thing now we will speak about is linking formula. What's the meaning of linking formula? Take care. I will control tab. I have this sheet is book 20. The name is book 20. Okay. Now I am here in sheet 3. And I need to make formula but from sheet 1. What I make equal and make control tab. Not control tab, I'm sorry. You click from here equal and go to sheet 1. Told this. After this you can make this and you can make from sheet 2 as example this, and you can make, now you are sheet 3, you can make also this value as example. Okay, I make this 60. Okay, take care. What he write for you? He write you the sheet number. After this he put A3, this is the cell, and after this he told you he takes the sheet 1 A4, and from the sheet 2 he take A2, and from sheet 3 he take D4. Okay, this the link formula from the same sheet. This is the same sheet but separate sheet, the same workbook but different sheet. Okay, take care. If you make here like this and like this and like this, what he give for you? I'm sorry, this plus. When he write, he will write direct A3, A4, A5 because it is the same sheet. But because this from different sheet, he gave you this from which sheet. And the cell in the same sheet for sheet 3, he not give it direct. He also write for you this sheet 3 because he make relate for this sheet 3. Okay. Now I am here, and for anything, for any problem, for any different thing, if you need to add value from another workbook, what you make? Now this book 20, I need to add thing from book 1 as example, work 10. I will add and take care. Now here I cheat, but this he give you the name of what? The name of workbook, the other workbook, and he give you the new sheet, new book, and after this the cell. So he what write for you? He write the same of the workbook he take from it. After this he give the name for the sheet. After this he give the cell value. Okay, this third thing we speak about today is linking formula. Okay, take care. Here is book 10. Okay, I go to book 10 like this and close. Okay, and go to this one. Take care. What he work now? Yeah, he give you, I close the other book work. So now he give you the path for this sheet in your computer. Okay, take care. The last thing we will speak about is about manage linking. What's the mean of manage linking? I will open here and go for data. Say here is edit link. If I go to by control tab for this book 1 and make data here, I not find this active. Why? Because this not have link. Link mean the value from other workbook. Okay, this not have any value from another workbook, so he will not find link edit linking is active. If I go to by control tab, I take value this from work 20 and go here, say he will give you edit link. If I click here, he told you the link inside this one is from book 220. If you break link, he will make only value and cancel all of this formula. This is important for you if you need to not show from where you get this value. Maybe you need this. But if you make break link, you will not can make undo. So take care about break link. Okay. From here you can open source. Okay. He told you book 20 is already open. Okay. I don't need to open. From here I can make what? From this one. This speak about if you need to open this book or any book have linking. If he have linking, what when you open, he give you message. Here from here you can told him what you can give for you. He told you don't display the art and update links, or don't display the art and don't update automatic links. This is not imagine. And this lets user choose to display the alert or not. Okay, for me I will check this one. Okay, and close. Now I will close this one. Don't save. I go here. Now I have link here. Okay, I have link from Workbook 10. So I make edit, and from here I told him okay, I will close this one. From here I make close, and from here I will open 10 this, and I make this value for 10,000 and make close. Open now 20. Take care. This is the message we speak about. He told you need to update. Why? Take care. This value is coming from where, or another value from sheet coming from book 10, and we make update the value in Workbook 10. So he need to make update. If you told him update and go here, take care, it will be 110,000 as we make update in before. Okay, if I open 10 and make this 500, okay, and go by tab, take care. If you open the two book which have the link, he make it update direct. But if you close another one and make update and open the one which he need to make updating the data from the other one, he will ask you what you need to make update or not update. I think now everything is clear about multiple worksheet and workbook. Thank you, and not forget to make subscribe and check the other playlist.